Everybody already know what time it is. It's Dancing Bacon's, unnecessarily big YouTuber from Japan. He don't talk, but he eats. Let's watch him eat. It looks like he had a 7-Eleven vending machine today. That's different. See, for him, I don't even need the fucking subtitles. He does his own subtitles. He sells food you can find at the popular convenience store. The Japanese really love their corn, man. I do not understand the corn. Okay, I'll take it back. That sounds good as fuck. Corn and cheese garlic bread? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oishi. What? I can get a chicken bun out the ooh. Hey man, if you ain't ever tried them Japanese buns, fire. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. Oh my guy's just loading them all up into his little sack. Yeah, take your little sack home, you little fucking weirdo. Yeah, play with your fucking bread. God damn, that look good. That look good as fuck, low key. Yeah. I wonder how the chili paste makes the chicken taste. That's different. It's almost like a kung pao chicken in a bun. Oh, those are gyoza? What? Dumplings in a bag? I gotta spark the wood. Where's my lighter? I gotta spark the wood. I don't like this guy. He keeps it fucking simple. Hey, on God though. Nah, bro, but peep game, Willie. He said he got all that for under $1. Not bad. At least he for here in the States. Not bad. For $3, I could eat like a homeless king. Or you could say a homeless commie. I'll get help. I'll let you know when I get help. God damn, that look. Ooh, that look like that real pork too. Korean inspired bread, okay. It better have a lot of cheese in it. A lot of them pull apart breads do not be having enough cheese in it. Ooh, that boy look ick. It looks like a something else, but it looks good. Looks good. Looks good. It looks real buttery. Looks real soft too, like a croissant. It could have been cheesier. It could have been cheesier. They could have put more cheese in that. Hammer right in front of the microwave. That's how you get cancer, kids. Oh, that boy is thick. Rip it in half. Rip it in fucking half. Do it. Stop playing with your fucking food. Okay, that's different. I'll let you be you. I'll let you express yourself. Oh, yeah, that's the money shot. Yes, baby. Could have been a little meatier, but that's not bad. Hey, there's DJing and the bougie, my homie. There's an E in both of them, so that's close enough. Oh, wow. Ooh. I love a good chocolate drink. I do like chocolate milkshake. Are those fucking Pringles? Yeah. I wonder if they taste the same. Hold the phone. They got white Coke. Like, yo, they got some interesting shit. I would pass on those personally. I don't really like processed like sausages. You made them look good though, you son of a bitch. Ooh. It says good night, like as in, is it like good night milk? Good night as in like it has something to put your ass to sleep. Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, it's one of those. I really like these little budget meals. If only. Pork is good only in occasions. I like pork belly and bacon, but most other pork related things kind of overdo it. Beef is very undervalued. I wish there was more ways to like effectively cook